Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm back with another conversation video. This is quite an interesting conversation between me and my neighbor. And I'm sure you will enjoy this and you will learn a lot from it, of course. So guys, the rule is I'm going to talk about what conversation I had with my neighbor on a particular topic. What you can do is you can repeat after me, you can speak with me, you can take that idea and you can take the topic, come up with your own idea and you can speak on your own about it. So you can do a lot of things with this video and you can practice in different ways. So that is the idea of coming up with a conversation video. I'm sure you know it by now. So let's get started. But before that, welcome back to my channel. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And that is why I've come up with this conversation series wherein I pick up topics which comes up in daily life conversations. Whenever we go out, we meet people, or we are in our house also, we talk to our mom, dad, relatives, friends, brother, sister, or anybody for that matter. So we talk on certain topics, right, which are day-to-day conversational topics. We talk about food, we talk about going outside, we talk about grocery shopping, we talk about weather, we talk about our experience or anything for that matter. So I take up those topics and I speak in front of you so that you can also start speaking on those topics and on those lines. Right, so that if tomorrow you are exposed to the outside world or you're exposed to people outside, and if they are having this conversation in English about these topics, it will be easier for you to speak to them on those topics because you have enough practice, right? And honestly, these are the conversation starters, or these are the topics on which conversation happens. Okay, so that is why if you will be in practice on these topics, it will be easier for you to speak with anybody and everybody on these topics in English. So that is why pay attention guys, it's very simple. It just needs 10 minutes of yours every single day to practice on these topics and to be a natural English speaker. Okay, so I need 10 minutes of your dedicated time and then you will see the magic. On that note, if you haven't subscribed my channel guys, please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos, press the notification icon and do write your comments in the comment section. I love to read your comments and I do try to reply to all the comments. If some comments I miss, probably next time I will reply to those as well. And I'm sorry for that if I have missed any. So today I'm going to talk about a conversation which happened today morning. I went for some grocery shopping, I went for some vegetable shopping, and while I was coming back in the basement, I saw my neighbor coming in and he was all sweating and he was quite, tired. He was looking quite tired. So I asked him, hey, are you okay? What's wrong with you? You're sweating a lot. And then he started smiling and said, the weather is such, it's so hot outside. I went to buy some items from outside. And it was so hot that I got so tired and I am sweating a lot. So this is how weather has become nowadays. So he said that to me. And then we started having a conversation about the weather. Like how it was before and how it is today and which weather we enjoy and what we do in different weathers. Okay, so that conversation I'm going to talk about here in this video. So let's get started. So he started talking about summers and he said that, I hate summers just because, when you go outside for any small thing also, you start sweating and you start feeling tired and dehydrated. It's always better in summers that you drink water and go outside, and when you come back, you drink a lot of water. Okay. And in between also, if you are for a longer time outside, you should try to keep yourself hydrated. Have some coconut water, that is the best cooler. Have some sugarcane juice, that is also very nice. It cools the body. You can have some nimbu pani. So these are the small things which can help you in summers, right? Keeps you yourself hydrated, and it will help you to cool your body down, and it will help you to provide energy as well. So you have to make sure that in summers, whenever you are outside, you have to be hydrated. I said yes, that's true. And I feel that winters are much better than summers, because when you go, you don't have to worry about going outside. If you wear clothes, woolen clothes, it's always good, right? It will keep you warm, and you can go out and you can drink coffee, tea, or lots of drinks, hot drinks you can have outside, hot food you can have outside, spicy food, or deep fried food also you can have outside during winters. But you can't have these food in summers, right? It will not help your stomach. Your stomach can go bad when you eat a lot of fried and spicy food in summers. So that is why winters are always preferred to eat good food, or heavy food, or spicy food, or fried food, right? And hot drinks in winters is always preferable. So that is the advantage of winter, or you can enjoy winters in these winters like this. You can stay at your home in the blanket, and you can watch TV, you can watch your mobile phones, you can hear something, you can listen to something, you can do a lot of things, sitting inside your blanket also. And I love doing that, staying inside my blanket and watching things, or listening to things, or having playing a game with my daughter, or having fun with my daughter, having conversations with people. So I love that. So that is why I said that I prefer winters, I guess. The other season which we have here is rainy season. It rains a lot for like 5 to 6 months, or 4 to 5 months it rains a lot. And I think that is also a good weather. That is also a good season. Yes, it gets difficult at time to go outside, because it starts raining so heavily that you have to stop somewhere, and then and when the rain slows down, then you have to go. Those are the problems. But then the weather is quite pleasant. You can enjoy eating, you can enjoy going outside, you can enjoy going to the hill stations, or any nearby places. There are lots of places in Maharashtra which is very good in rainy season, which you enjoy during rainy season. Lots of dams and ghats, and a lot of lakes are there in and around the place, in and around Maharashtra, which you can enjoy, okay, during rainy season. So I think the rainy season is also a good season to enjoy. You can eat corn, pakoras, bhajis, tea, coffee, Maggi, soups. Lot of things are there which you can enjoy. And you can go out also. You can go trekking, you can go and enjoy your vacation in a resort, right, at a hill station, or any place nearby which has a good waterfall and a nice lake view. Okay, so these are the things which we can do during rainy season also. So I think rainy season is also a reasonable good season where you can enjoy a lot. And winters are also okay. But yes, winters in North India is quite terrible. I mean, I really don't enjoy winters in North India, especially December, January, or January season, because it's quite cold. It's so cold that you don't want to go outside, you don't want to do anything, you just feel freezed. It's so cold. It is becoming colder day by day. Every year it has started becoming colder. So you feel that you are frozen there. Extreme winters I don't like, extreme summer I don't like, anything extreme I don't like. I mean, nobody likes, right? Extreme is something which nobody likes. Moderate seasons are always better and good, right? Spring season, autumn season, rainy season, summer season, winter season, all seasons are good in moderation, right? But since you all know that due to pollution and a lot of other factors, the climate has changed so much across the world, right? It has changed so much that the place where I am living in used to be a hill station, and now it is so hot in summers for 2 months. It's cold in winters also for a month. So things have changed. In North India also, the summers and winters which I used to remember during my childhood was not that severe, but nowadays it has become so more severe. The summers and winters have started becoming much hotter and colder. So the climate has changed. There are lots of factors involved. That is why the activists who are, working for climate change, they tell you to stop pollution, right? Stop the pollution so that, and cutting down of trees and building multi-stories, by cutting hills or trees and cutting down forests. So they all say these things, that stop doing these things so that we can save our planet, we can save Earth, and we can save the changes in the climate. If we stop all these things, we stop cutting down forests, we stop cutting down trees, we stop cutting down hills and mountains, and if we stop building multi-story buildings everywhere, then it will help the climate to stabilize and it will save our planet, it will save Earth. Okay, so that is why they promote greenery and forest. So we all have to take care of these things, guys, of course, because if we want to if we want to build a better planet, better Earth for our future generations, we have to start planting trees. We have to start planting trees. We have to start coming up with small, greenery or small terrace gardens also, so that we get fresh air, we get some more good, some more pure oxygen from there. There are lots of purifier plants as well, which provides oxygen and which purifies air. So we can start doing small things to add to this, small things for a future generation. Right, guys? So this was the conversation we had today in the morning about climate and the goods and bad of the seasons, and what we can enjoy and what we don't enjoy about the weather here, right? So guys, this is how conversation starts. We have a lot of topics on which we talk about, right? So this is one of them. Climate or weather is one of them. Okay, you can talk about the weather at your place. You can come up with your own stories. You go out, you see people, you can talk to them about it, and then you can talk to your family also about the weather, and then you can come up with these things and you start, speaking for 10 minutes in English. Go and talk to people about the weather, collect information, and then come back home, write down a script, write down your ideas, shoot a video of how you are talking about it and you're speaking about on this topic. Shoot a video, listen to it later, analyze what mistakes you have done, what corrections you need, whether you were able to put your ideas across or not. Okay, so rework on it, shoot another video and see what improvement you have made. Guys, this is the best way to correct yourself. This is the best way to improve yourself. Keep trying, keep repeating the same thing. 2-3 times you can do it, right? And then it will not take even 10-15 minutes of yours, right? You have to speak for 2 minutes, 3 minutes or 5 minutes maximum. So 2 times you can speak about on the topic, 3 times you can speak on the topic, so that you see your progress, your improvement. And once you see that, yeah, you are reasonable enough that you are able to talk on that, your job is done. Then you can take up another topic and speak on that topic the next day, right? This is how you practice. Guys, there is no shortcut to practice, I tell every single day. So that is why I have tried to solve your problem of coming up with different conversation topics, everyday topics, which we talk about with people when we meet them, right? So that it's easier for you to practice on those topics, and tomorrow when you go outside and you get those topics to speak on, it will be easier for you to speak in English about it, right? You will get the confidence, you will get that fluency, and you will get those ideas. Your mind will not go blank, you will not feel short of words, because you have enough ideas, you have enough sentences that you can, at least you can manage to speak, right? So that is why, guys, please keep trying, keep practicing and keep improving. See you. Bye-bye.